Okay everyone, I'm going to show you how to make pancakes. So first you want to get your scale and your bowl and place it on there. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my oats and measure about 26 to 30 grams. In between that amount is okay. And I'm just going to pour it in my bowl. There we go. Okay, and we're going to put that away. So that's my oats. Okay, next step here is the whey protein. Now you can use any protein powder that you have. I have obviously whey isolate, so I'm using that, and I'm measuring about 26 to 27 grams of matcha whey protein because matcha is my favorite. So I'm just putting all of that in there nice and carefully. And then what you can do here is just mix the whey and the oats together really quickly. And then the next thing, what we're going to do is we're going to start mixing in with our banana. So just peel that and rip it up into small little pieces, and then we're going to place it in our bowl like so. Okay, and then once all that's done, we're going to add our egg whites, just one egg white. And you can do whatever you want with the yolk, I guess. I kind of just throw mine away, sadly. And then we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, what I'm doing here is just really mashing the banana into the egg white just to make it easier to mix. Okay, so we're just mixing it until a nice consistency, nice and even. If you've got banana pieces, that's okay. And now we're just going to get ready to bake our pancakes. Okay, so you can put oil or butter or 1-calorie spray if you have it. And just pour it in a nice pancake shape and make it nice and golden. And then put it on your plate and get ready to eat them. Okay, not the best presentation, but it tastes delicious. So these are how you make simple protein pancakes. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Here is the breakdown of the pancakes today. 310 calories, 100 for the oats, 97 for the whey protein, 100 for the banana, and 13 calories for the egg whites. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope your pancakes come out well, maybe a little bit more presentable than mine. And if you like this quick video, please like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll be posting more quick, easy, healthy recipes. Thank you.